Hey guys, so we're back in my son's Corolla again, and if you remember, we put in this beautiful big thick lip from EOS, and that didn't last very long. A couple weeks later, my son shattered it, so we're going to try again, and this time we're going to go a smaller lip that's a little bit less aggressive, but I think it'll still look good, and hopefully when he hits that dip, he won't lose the front lip this time. So let's give it a shot. All right, so we got this box in the mail. It's this time it's the three-piece lip from EOS. The previous lip, like I mentioned, it was a four-piece, so it was a big lip that really stuck out. But this time we're going to go with the three-piece. All right, so with the three-piece, it's basically the same thing as the four-piece, but what it's going to do is not have the big front lip. So when you go down to a dip, the lip won't stick out as much, and hopefully you won't lose your nice new front lip. Some people call it a lip, some people call it a spoiler. Here's what it's going to look like. When we install it, so it's going to look like that. The old one, the lip came out to here, so that one scraped up pretty quickly. But so to put these together, it's really easy. It has these pegs, so it fits in really secure. So when you have some of those universal ones, it doesn't fit in as secure, because this was made for the Corolla, so it's going to fit real nice and tight. So with these guys, you just put in these screws. Be careful using a cordless drill like me. You might want to do it by hand with a hand screwdriver. You don't want to strip this out if you're not careful, but I'm going real slow. All right, one side, and go to the other side and do the same thing. All right. Okay, so now it's going to look like one piece now that you assembled it. So all these pegs, these are custom for the Corolla, and underneath, there are all these screws, and you could see this is from the old lip, so I'm going to take that off. But I'm going to take off all these screws, and then we'll screw on the new one. All right, so we take off these. See, this is from that last front lip that got torn off. You take these off, and then that's what we're going to use to mount the spoiler. And of course, there's another there, another one here, another one here, and another one in the middle, and of course, same thing on the other side. All right, so we're putting this on and just screwing those things in, and the holes will line up perfectly. All right, that should be it. Nice and tight. Let's take a look at it. I think it looks really nice. So the old lip used to extend out way out to here, and that's why we lost it so quickly. But this one, still gonna look good. All right, so that's the way these things all go in. So it fits the Corolla perfectly. That's perfect. Take a look around. Yeah, I think it looks great. And the lip is a lot less flared out, so hopefully we'll keep this one. Awesome.